कोई थायराइड ग्लैंड पूछेगा आप यही बोलोगे, ओके थायराइड ग्लैंड, इट इज ए बटरफ्लाई शेप्ड organ as you see in the diagram, butterfly shaped organ. It is covered by two capsules. One is the true capsule, second is the false capsule. What is true capsule? It is the thyroid gland own connective tissue. False capsule, it is derived from pretracheal fascia, and this pretracheal fascia, it is a part of your deep cervical fascia. Okay, it is a part of which fascia? Deep cervical fascia. And very important thing, that thyroid gland has two lobes, the right lobe and the left lobe, which is connected here by this structure. This is known as isthmus, and the level of isthmus is second, third, fourth tracheal rings. Second, third, and fourth tracheal rings. Very important. This question was asked many times in your examinations. Okay. And then important thing, that this pretracheal fascia, it is connecting your lateral lobes to this cricoid cartilage. This is your cricoid cartilage, the only cartilage which you can see anteriorly and posteriorly. Okay, because it is a completely ring shaped cartilage. It's like a ring shaped cartilage. Okay, for example, this is your thyroid cartilage. You can see it anteriorly, but posteriorly you can't see it. This is your hyoid cartilage. ओके और यहाँ पे एक और चीज मैं आपको बता दूं कि हायोइड कार्टिलेज एंड थायराइड कार्टिलेज, हियर thyrohyoid membrane is present. Okay, between the hyoid bone and between the thyroid cartilage, here a membrane is present, thyrohyoid membrane. Here also a membrane is present between the thyroid cartilage and the cricoid cartilage. This is known as cricothyroid membrane, and this membrane is very important. जट साहब ये जो मैं इसको रेड में हाईलाइट कर रहा हूँ, this cricothyroid membrane, you perform cricothyrotomy procedures. Cricothyrotomy procedure is done here. Okay, and this is your isthmus. ये आपका isthmus है. This is your whole isthmus, and it is present at the level of second, third, fourth tracheal rings. Okay, why it is important? Because here you have to perform a procedure known as tracheostomy procedure. So these are the important points which you must have to know, Jat Sahab. Clear?
Yes.
Now coming to the blood supply. See here, you have this common carotid artery. This common carotid artery is dividing here into two arteries. Internal carotid artery and external carotid artery. This division of the carotid artery, it is doing at the superior border of your thyroid cartilage. Okay, so carotid artery ऊपर जा रही होगी और superior border of thyroid cartilage, it is dividing into internal carotid artery and external carotid artery, and from here it will give here a branch. See here, this branch. And this is your which artery? This is your superior thyroid artery. So three arteries you must have to remember. Superior thyroid artery, which is coming out from the external carotid artery or from the carotid artery. Then you have inferior thyroid artery. Inferior thyroid artery, which is a branch of your thyrocervical trunk, which is coming out from the subclavian artery, and sometime a branch or a thyroidema artery is coming out, which is coming out directly from the arch of aorta. तो तीन arteries आपने याद रखनी है, superior thyroid artery, inferior thyroid artery, and thyroidema. Okay, superior thyroid artery, branch of which artery? External carotid artery. Inferior thyroid artery, branch of which artery? Thyrocervical trunk. Okay, thyrocervical trunk. उसके बाद ये देखो superior thyroid artery coming out from the external carotid artery, inferior thyroid artery coming out from the thyrocervical trunk. and sometimes thyroid-IMA artery. Here, this is showing thyroid-IMA artery, which is coming out directly from the arch of aorta. This is arch of aorta, Jat Sahab. Arch of aorta. इसको अस्सलाम वालेकुम ना पढ़ लेना, इब्रार हुसैन. This is arch of aorta. Arch of aorta, Rizwana Sultana. This is arch of aorta. So this is your thyroid-IMA artery. So ये है blood supply. Why it is important? Because this artery is in close relation to your superior laryngeal nerve. Very important. And this inferior thyroid artery is in close relation to your recurrent laryngeal nerve. Okay, so when you are ligating, Jat Sahab, these arteries during thyroidectomy procedure, you must be very careful. You must have to ligate superior thyroid artery near the gland, so you are not going to damage the superior laryngeal nerve. You have to ligate inferior laryngeal artery also near the gland. अब वो नहीं कहते away from the gland, पहले बोलते थे away from the gland. Now you have to ligate it also near the gland. Why? To prevent injury to the recurrent laryngeal nerve. No. Okay? Very very important. ये याद रखना है. Okay? और फिर ये देखें इसकी venous drainage. Jat Sahab, for you only. 3 veins you have to remember. Superior thyroid vein. This is your superior thyroid vein. This is your middle thyroid vein. And in the center you have, in the center what you have? Inferior thyroid vein. Inferior thyroid vein. अब जट साहब आप ये खुद भी डायग्राम बना सकते हो. ये देख रहे हो? This is your internal jugular vein. Internal jugular vein is going downward. It is joining here by this vein. The name of this vein is subclavian vein. Subclavian vein is joining with the internal jugular vein, forming here this vein. And this vein is known as brachiocephalic vein. Okay, this is the center of your body. So left brachiocephalic vein is crossing the center and going towards the right side. देख रहे हो? That's why your left subclavian is longer as compared to your not left subclavian, sorry. Your left brachiocephalic vein is longer as compared to your right brachiocephalic vein. And when these two veins are joining, this joint vein is known as superior vena cava. Is known as what? Superior vena cava. ये देखो जट साहब, तो अगर ये डायग्राम तुमने खुद बनानी है तुम ऐसे बना सकते हो. Internal jugular vein. This is your internal jugular vein. Internal jugular vein. This is your subclavian vein. Subclavian vein coming out from your upper limb. Both are joining together, forming this vein. This is your brachiocephalic vein. And this brachiocephalic vein is joining with the brachiocephalic vein on the other side, forming this vein. This is known as superior vena cava. So देख रहे हो? Right brachiocephalic vein is shorter. It is on the right side, but left subclavian vein देखो कितनी बड़ी. Left brachiocephalic vein, बार-बार subclavian बोल देता. Left brachiocephalic vein is longer, and it is crossing. This is the midline of your body. It is crossing the midline and going towards the right side. Okay, और फिर इस internal jugular vein से एक vein जो अब ये आप thyroid बना लो. This is your thyroid gland. Superior thyroid vein draining into the internal jugular vein. Middle thyroid vein draining into the internal jugular vein. लेकिन जो आपकी ये वाली vein है, inferior thyroid vein, it is draining the blood into your brachiocephalic vein. आ गई समझ?